myself VNVS Money, Faculty of Commerce and Management. So today we are discussing about the GST second unit, GST Accounting Masters and Inventory Masters in Tally. This is the fifth semester, useful for all BCom Computers, Tax and Generals. So coming to second unit, whatever the contents we are covered in this unit is company creation in Tally, general ledgers and GST ledger creation, stock groups, stock items, units of measures, GST rate allocation to stock. So coming to first topic, company creation, in that we are mainly discussing about the Tally. First of all, what is the importance of using of the computerized accounting system, that is any software. Basically so many persons are usually used the Tally software. Why it is most important than any others? Because in a manual accounting system there is a multiple tasks we should need to prepare, like from journal, like our day book. After that ledger, we should need to first enter into the journal, then classified into ledger. Again we need to summarize in the values. Those values should be entered into the trial balance. Based on trial balance we need to prepare the final accounts. So this kind of chain system is we have in manual account. In that we can need to maybe there is a chance of some accuracy, some time concern for the maintenance of expensive accounts are expensive. So overcoming the some disadvantages in manual account, the computerized accounting system, the mostly accepted software of Tally is introduced. So after introducing or after using of Tally software, we should need to enter the day book, that is journal. Then automatically classification and summarizing and preparation of different accounts and posting into trial balance based on final accounts. Everything should be prepared by Tally software automatically. So we just enter the some kinds of data, that is a journal, some kinds of ledgers creation, then automate all the tasks of each accounts maintenance and the classifications and the summarizing final accounts. Everything should be prepared by system automatically. So the accuracy level is very more and more, and time saving and easy to store the data and easy to carry the data. So the benefits are more and more by using of systematic accounting. That's why everyone wants to use systematic accounts or computerized accounting system. So now we are discussing about the in that system first step. It is a company creation. What is meaning of company creation? Company creation is nothing but whenever if you have some company, for example myself, I have some company name is Money Cooperative Society. We should need to enter into all the details in the Money Cooperative Society with the title, because all the invoices like the sale bills, everything comes under the Tally with the name of Money Cooperative Society. So first you should need to create the title of the whatever the company we have. For that we have to go to Tally software by double clicking. After installation of the Tally software into your system, just double click on the display, that is a display, the icon should be double clicked, then the Tally software is appear. After Tally software, whenever if you are using in a education software mode, then the option of the education mode, or else if you have a original software, daily you can easy to access the direct system of Tally. So whenever if you are trial from the education mode, selected the education mode, then automatically the gateway of Tally window will appears. In the gateway of Tally window, choose create a company, or shortcut form F3 or F1. Mostly it's a F3 shortcut key. When you are using the create company, automatically it displaying this kind of voucher like your screen. Whatever the company creation display box is there, like that when you are selecting the company in a Tally Prime or ERP, automatically the displays appears. In here you need to fill all the details of name and specific mailing address, details of address, mailing name, and statutory information of the your state, pin code, telephone, mobile number, and other etc. And also company details, that means financial year starting and books beginning. What is the difference of the financial year starting and book beginning? Financial year starting means every financial year starting with the April 1st, but some of them opening the books after the April 1st or any other time, like some of them following the January. But whenever if you are opening or entering the books into January, then mention the books beginning date is a January. So that is only different. Then coming to security control level, it is very good future and as well as very important, because whenever if you are placing the any password, you should need to remember the password. If you are forgetting the password, you can't open the any transaction in the particular company details. So whenever if you are able to understand and if you are able to remember, then enter the password and strengthen the password. Then again coming to the base currency information, means the Tally software is a Tally software used in worldwide, not in particularly India. So whichever the country you are using, then selected the your currency, that is the rupees or rupees or dollar, whatever you have selected the currency. It is auto defined, automatically displayed when you are selected the state and a country, then automatically the currency also changed. So no need to change, but just awareness, I just information. At the same time, number of decimals places, means in an invoice or any bill, after the total amount of 1500.356, when they are totaling like this, so how many points they are taken, all these information should be entered into the company creation. After company creation, giving all the details of necessary, then accept in the screen. That is the shortcut for accepting screen, Control A. So then automatically the display light when like this, press yes. Automatically when you are pressing enter, then the company whatever you are created, ABC company, is displayed. This is the process all amounts to the company creation. It is more important and most important, because all the invoices with the name of ABC company only it appears. Whenever if you are giving any correct or incorrect or any mistakes, you need to again go to the gateway of Tally, choosing the alter option. For alter option, for which purpose? Editing the details. Whenever if you want to delete the company also, you should need to go to first alter, then deleted the company. You can't directly deleted the any company without by using the shortcut key Alt plus D. Alt plus D, you can't able to delete it. First you choose the alter, then selected the company, again press Alt D, then only the company will be deleted. Is it right? Okay. Next, whatever the topic company creation in Tally, we are discussing deeply by the creation of the password, currency, and alteration of the company and deletion of the company. Next, security and control, user control, we are all discussing all these. First step, company creation is successfully completed. The second step is selection or creation of ledgers. There is here two ways of selection or creation of ledgers: single ledger creation or multiple ledger creation, or direct from voucher to ledger creation. There is a multiple ways to creation of ledger is available in Tally, ma'am, or Tally. So single ledger creation is normally used to create some particular some minimum ledgers. If you want to create 1 or 2 or 3, then directly create from single ledger option. Whenever if you want to create a more items, just easily create from the multiple ledger creation option. At a time you can able to create the thousands or hundreds or more and more ledgers at a time. So it is very easy as well as time saving. Then what is the from voucher to ledger creation? Directly I am just entering into the voucher. I forget to enter the some ledger. No need to go to back. Just press the Alt C. What is that? Alt C, then automatically you are going to the ledger option, then create the ledger and press accept. Automatically again the voucher appears in the particular ledger. So it is a easy way to, without doing backside gateway of Tally, from voucher to ledger accessing directly. So whenever if you want to accept the ledger, the path is normal: gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledger and creator. Whenever if you are here now in Tally Prime, the same path but a simple little bit change. That is a go to gateway of Tally. In gateway of Tally having a create option. Whenever if you are press the create, here the sub option ledgers. Then select the ledger, automatically ledger will appears. The process of the single ledger creation like this. The displaying of the screen is here presented in the for the easy access. This is the test of the name. Whenever if you want to give in any capital, whatever the investment or whatever the assets, whatever the expenditures, all these, each and every transaction, each and every head you need to create, and given the mention the under also. Under is very important. It shows the relation of the particular transaction. For example, Ramu is there. Ramu is one of the creditor. You know, if you are not mentioned under, the computer or software don't know who is Ramu. What is the relation between the Ramu and their company? So definitely you should need to give in Ramu under sundry creditor or sundry debitor or any capital. If he is owner, given owner, that is a capital. So for example, all the expenses mentioned in trading account, those are comes under direct expenses. Whatever the items we are entered into the profit and loss account, those items are comes under indirect expenses. Like vice versa, in credit side trading account, whatever the items is called, it is a direct incomes. In profit and loss account credit side, whatever the incomes you are posted, all those incomes are indirect incomes. This is main. For example, salaries. I want to create a ledger of salary. Then name, enter the salaries. Then under, I definitely mention the salaries is an indirect expenses. Indirect expenses. Whenever if you are given in any asset like machinery, so I want to create the ledger of machinery. So same process, ledger, the name is machinery. Under we should need to select fixed assets. Fixed assets. No need to creation of the two types of accounts, that is a cash and profit and loss, because the two types of accounts are predefined. So automatically it created. No need to create cash and profit and loss ledgers in every software, Tally or Prime or anything. So this is the process of relating to the ledger creation. Coming to stock group items. What is meaning of stock? Some of them using only accounts. They don't need any stock. Then they are selecting the accounts only option. But normally, if they want to selling of some products, they have definitely some group items. That is a stock items. For example, my company is a mobile company. In mobile company, my product is mobiles. My stock items are mobiles. In mobiles category is some Vivo, Apple, in a iPhone or any Oppo, Redmi. Some different kinds of classification is there in our group in the stock items. We should need to mention all the stock items with their group and classifying of the classification with where. At the same time, measures of units. How to select the stock items from the gateway of Tally means the path is select, go to gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock items, then enter create. When you are pressing the enter, automatically the ledger box, whatever the explain, the same like the window is explained with the stock items creation. Here I will show. Here ledger creation is there in here. Whenever if you are entering the any stock items, here appear in the stock items. That is only different, and otherwise the total screen is same. In a stock items, enter the stock name. After entering the stock name, definitely you should need to enter the stock related group, like displaying the next box. When you are selecting the group, selected the name, that the particular product comes to which group, and what is the under, that is the primary or secondary, whatever you have, you mention for purpose of easy classification. After selecting the group, accepting the stream, then again you mention the units of measure. What is meaning of units of measure? For example, mobiles, I calculate the measuring, and the measuring way is packets or watts or numbers. Whenever if I have a liquid items, the measuring value is liters. Whenever if we have some any product of groceries, the measuring value is kgs. So where there is a meters, that is a cloth, that is a meters. The measuring means whatever you have a product, how to calculate or how to measure that, we should need to mention in like this. Whenever if you have selected the units of measure, then asking to the symbol, that is a kgs or numbers or pieces or boxes or packets, and mention the formal name kilograms. It is a shortcut name is kgs and the formal name is a full name. Then automatically accepted the string, automatically as the stock item and the group and the units of measure, everything created successfully without any problem. After completion of the company creation, then definitely you are enter the ledgers of all. Then after that, your third step is a creation of the stock items. In a creation of stock items, we should remember classification of groups, categories and units of measures. Whenever if you have, if you have a multiple go downs, mention the go down details also if you have a required. Then after entering, after creating of all these, then next presenting of the entry or presenting of the invoice, that is called voucher entry. Then coming to GST rate allocation. Now there is a new slabs of the 0%, 5% and 18% is available. So you want to create the SGST, CGST, IGST, the components of the all these in separate accounts. Like normally in ledger creation, like versa, like that. So in ledger the name is SGST. Under you need to select GST is under duties and taxes. Under is very important, duties and taxes. Then accept the thing. Some of them creating the all the ledgers of the CGST, SGST like 5% SGST, 5% CGST. 18% CGST, 18% SGST, like that. As per your wish, as per your wish. Some of them wants to at the end of the month, they want to know 18% slab related, 18% slab related items. Those are prepared the particular 18% SGST, that means 9% and 9% CGST. That is a 5% in 5% rate, 2.5% for CGST, 2.5% for SGST. They are creating the ledger also with the name of SGST 2.5, CGST 2.5 and SGST 9%, CGST 9%. It's your wish completely. But whatever you are mentioned the under is a duties and taxes. That is the important. So conclusion. Now in the second unit, we are learning about the Tally software, specifically company creation, ledgers creation, stock items creation, GST items creation. This is all about comes under second unit. Thank you so much.